I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy puts on Robinhood. First, you need to understand what put options are and their associated risks. Next, confirm that your Robinhood account is approved for options trading, which requires a specific application process. Once approved, search for the stock you wish to trade. From the stock's detail page, you will find the option to trade options. This will lead you to the options chain. A put option grants the holder the right, but not the obligation, to sell 100 shares of an underlying asset at a specified strike price before or on the expiration date. You profit if the stock price falls below your strike price. The strike price is the fixed price at which the underlying stock can be sold. The expiration date is crucial, as the option becomes worthless if not exercised or sold by then. After selecting trade options, you will see various expiration dates. Choose one that aligns with your market outlook. Then, pick a strike price you believe the stock will fall below. Ensure you select Buy to open for a put option. Finally, input the number of contracts you wish to purchase and your preferred order type, such as a limit order, to control your entry price. Review all details carefully before submitting. Remember, options trading carries substantial risk, and you could lose 100% of your investment. It is vital to understand your risk tolerance and set clear stop-loss points before entering any trade. Never invest more than you are comfortable losing. Continuously monitor your positions and be prepared to adjust your strategy. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.